Before you fall in love with a home, fall in love with the life it allows you to live. The comfort, the prestige, and the security that comes with it. This 5-bedroom, fully detached unit is sitting pretty on the 700 square meters right here in NAF Valley, Asokoro, Abuja. So before we get in, let's talk about the externals. So this is a large compound space, enough to take up to 5 to 6 cars. And we have the space here that we curated specially if you're a lover of dogs or pets. And these can serve as their heaven, where they can stay all through the day while they are released at night. And then we have an automated gate here and a gatehouse over there. Of course, this is a stamped floor, so this means that you're not going to be expecting things like weeds to grow in your house. Then over here we have this beautiful live plants that you could decide to water every morning, and you can decide to use as your rituals every single day just to keep them alive. So let's take a tour at the back and see what we have here. Let's go to the back and see what it looks like. I want us to have a feel of what the externals of this house looks like before we go into the house. So this is what the back space of this building looks like. I personally think you can decide to have a gazebo over here and a swimming pool over here. There's enough space for that. And then we have a boys' quarters. This is a 5-bedroom, fully detached house with a boys' quarters. So there's a BQ here. We're going to take a tour of it when we are done looking at the interiors. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a tour. So stepping into this space, you cannot but notice this foyer that has this beautiful, aesthetically pleasing lights. To my left, we have these visitors toilets, and we have a contemporary Jabri toilet and a flowing vanity for your visitors to help themselves when they come around to see you. And then let's talk about the wall claddings here. These wall claddings are so beautiful. If you're a lover of art, you can decide to furnish this part of your house with beautiful art pieces that would leave people in awe of how beautiful your space is. When people walk into a space like this and it is yours, they cannot but talk about how beautiful this space is. Talk more of the space. This is an expansive living area of this 5-bedroom fully detached unit. Now take a look at the finishing. The finishing of this house is exquisite. Look at the wall claddings, the double cross ventilation, the lightings. The choice of materials in this home is beautiful. It's top-notch quality. Take a look at the ceilings. These are not POP ceilings. These are gypsum boards. And if you know gypsum boards, they are more quality and long-lasting than POP. Every part of this home was designed with a gypsum board because we understand that your safety is very important. Is it a choice of lightings in this home? Very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing. I love the pendant lighting. I love the wall cladding too here at this side, and we left this space for you for your standing AC. There's a connection here already, so you could put your standing AC here, and then the double cross ventilation for penetration of air and light in this space. And then at this particular area, you can decide to put your dining area here. This particular place where this lighting is, you can decide to put your dining area here. And for this particular CD console area, we left it empty so that you can decide what you want to do with it. We don't want to leave you on a particular stereotype of what you should do here, so we left this space empty for you to decide what you want to do, the kind of design you want on your TV console area, That is why the space is empty. And then I'm going to take you to another space that is very special to me in this home. Welcome to our paradise. Come on in. I love this kitchen space. It is spacious, as you can see, and there's multiple cabinet spaces for you to play with in this kitchen. This marble island here to chop on those sumptuous meal here in this kitchen, and then this space here for your refrigerator. Just behind here we have the BQ and the laundry space. So earlier I told you I was going to bring you here when we are touring the interior. So this is what this space looks like. This is a laundry space. We've put in the fittings for the washing machine here. Then you could use this space for your laundry. And then over here is the BQ. In this BQ we have a kitchen and we have a bathroom and toilet. So for your helps or your visitors who, if your house is already occupied and you want your visitors to stay here for a period of time, you could have them stay here. They have a wardrobe space here, enough space, and then we have a kitchen and then the toilet and the bathroom over here. And over here we have a pantry. This space is your pantry, but it's currently locked because we've put in some materials there and it's currently locked, so we cannot access it. But that's a pantry where you can put in your food items, your rice, and all of those things you want to use in making all of those sumptuous meal. Now let's go to the next place we want to take a look at. This part of the house we have the visitors room, but we're trying to create a space here for the lovers of wine. We're not done, we're still working. So this space is supposed to help you as a mini bar in your house where your guests could just come and have a chill or a little conversation. Over here is your visitors room. This is your visitors room. Spacious, double ventilation, enough wardrobe space. The bathroom and toilet is also here. Any visitor that comes here would not want to leave the space because it's so beautiful. It's beautiful and cute because it's not so big, but it's very nice. I told you that for every single room in this house, you cannot but notice the choice of lightings. I mean, take a look at this beautiful lights. This beautiful light piece in this house. This is so beautiful. So now let's go upstairs. So walking on the space, you would also notice the lights. The lights. Beautiful light pieces. I mean, take a look at these pendant chandeliers up. Look at them. So beautiful. And if you watch, these are not tiles. These are also granite finished floors. We didn't use tiles on this part of the house. These are 60 by 60 granite finished floors. Did I mention to you that we have a kitchenette on this floor? Let's take a look. So there's a kitchenette here just in case you don't want to go downstairs to make food at midnight. This is a kitchenette. Spacious kitchenette. One of the things I love about this house is the use of space. The way space are carefully considered in this house is great, because I mean, for a lot of houses they don't mind fitting you into a very small box and allowing you to manage, but nah, not this house. So there's a kitchenette here, a functional one at that. So on this floor we have 4 rooms here. So let's take a look at this first one over here by my left. By my left is this children's room. I call it the children's room because I mean, it's perfect for your kids. We have a wardrobe space here. We have the bathroom and toilet space over here, and the space is big enough to accommodate your kids. And then to the second room upstairs, look at this light. This is what I'm talking about. The lights are simple, they are not everywhere, they don't look scattered, they're just simple and nice lights here. So this is the second room here. This room also has a big wardrobe space, the bathroom and toilet over here. Contemporary finishing, nice and detailed finishing over here. Look at the walls, look at the fittings. You can see how everything is well detailed. Look at the lights, you can see how detailed all of the spaces is. And we have double cross ventilation here for proper air and light. The madam's room. madam's room. On the days where she doesn't want to stay in Auguste's room, she can decide to stay here. You could see the window spaces, all of them was created for her. This is a beautiful space. And then we have the bathroom and toilet here. We also have a jacuzzi space here, just in case she wants to relax, she wants to have her time to herself. She can just stay in this space and then have the best time of her life. And after the madam's room, to my right is the master's bedroom. But let's take a look at the family lounge. Now, this family lounge is connected to the master's bedroom through this door. You could connect it to the master's bedroom. This family lounge is spacious, has double cross ventilation, beautiful lighting space. You could use this space to enjoy family time during seasons where you want everyone to come in together. And then there's a toilet here in this space. And then we have a balcony here. This balcony leads us to the master's bedroom. Let's take a look at this balcony. This is a spacious balcony space here. Leads us to the master's bedroom. So we are still currently working on the space. We're still putting things together here. This is a spacious part of the house for the master's bedroom. The space is good enough with cross ventilation for proper air and light. The chandelier here is beautiful. The gypsum board finish here, I like the design of this part of the house. It's so beautiful. And then we have this wardrobe space. We're still working on it, like I told you. And then we have the bathroom here, a walk-in bathroom with a gypsy toilet, a walk-in shower, beautiful space. I love the space. And then this gold touch here just leaves this place with this executive finish. I love it so much. For 890 million naira, and this 5-bedroom fully detached unit right here in Asokoro, Abuja would be yours. If you'd like to come here for inspection, all you need to do is to call me on the phone number you can see on your screen. Remember, my name is the Global Abby, your #1 real estate broker you can trust.